Hello everyone, very welcome. In today's lesson, we will discuss vowels and consonants. As you know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and out of 26 letters, 5 5 are vowels and remaining 21 letters are consonants. Vowel, for example, A, E, I, O and U. And the consonant are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. If we take a very easy example like the word cat. In the word cat, we find 3 letters C, A and T. Here C and T are consonants and A is vowel. One point very important to be noted, the letter Y is sometimes referred to as an honorary vowel. Sometimes it acts as a vowel. Okay. Now, যদি আমি এখন সহজ বাংলায় বলি, তাহলে ভাওয়েল হচ্ছে বাংলা স্বরবর্ণ, আর কনসোনেন্ট হচ্ছে বাংলার ব্যঞ্জন বর্ণ। যেমন স্বরবর্ণ উচ্চারণ করতে গেলে আমাদের অন্য কোনো বর্ণের সাহায্য নিতে হয় না। ভাওয়েলস also don't need any help from any other letter to be pronounced, but consonant need the help of vowel to be pronounced. If we want to pronounce a consonant, then we need the help of a vowel. For example, the letter A. To pronounce A, we don't need any other letter. But if we pronounce M, to pronounce M, if we pronounce it carefully, we will find that aim, that means A, that is aim. We need the help of the letter A. Similarly, if we pronounce B, we will find B, that means there is E. But if we want to pronounce E, we don't need any other letter. Okay, so I think I can make it very clear that vowels are A, E, I, O and U, and the consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, Q, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss some examples, some exercise to make it more clear. If you find the video helpful, then subscribe my channel, share my videos. আবার নেক্সট ক্লাসে দেখা হচ্ছে। টিল দেন, গুড বাই। সবাই খুব ভালো থাকবে। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।